So as you can see, I'm doing one of my videos on Virtual Exam Tutor where I'm doing this morph. And I'm morphing the question from one side of the screen to another. And I'm highlighting different points at the same time. So you could get the students to highlight those different points. And then you could morph it over and then show them highlighted with colors and change their fonts and things like that. And then you can write in the center like I'm writing and give yourself a lot more space. So I'm going to now show you how to do the morph. So we have our slide here and we're going to right click and duplicate. After that, we go to our duplicated slide, we pick our text and then move it to where we want. We then highlight what we want to highlight and we can change the color, or we can change the underlining or the italics or the bold, and we can also change its size, or we could even change its font and make it in a different font to highlight it. Then what we do is we go up to transitions and then we go to morph. And we click morph on the slide we're going to morph into. Then, really important check is that you go over to your animation pane and you delete any animations you may have had on the one you're morphing into. After that point, you then just project and you've got a beautiful morph.